Here we have Cardano, symbol ADA, versus the dollar, being requested by Mr. Tazgo. He's looking at a 4-hour daily, and we'll just do a general overview on this one. Daily, first thing that stands out, you still have a pretty monumental upturn right here. Actually want to see the weekly as well, as we are coming into the end of this week. Little bit of a signal of slowdown right here. Obviously, that is a bit of a long-legged Doji Dodo right now, which is a signal of indecision, perhaps even reversal, but still got a long ways left to go. And the 5-day, not really of the same kind right there. That still looks like more or less continuation to myself. Again, I don't have any major issues with this as it stands, actually. Anyways, going down in lower term time frames, let's see what the ranges are looking like right now. We still have an uptrend even on a 4-hour, so I don't really see any major reason to fret just yet. 250 is your backstop on that, meaning that if you do start to break below this region, I would look for a decent short-term reversal all the way down to about 2.25. But for right now, I'd give it a chance to bounce first. We do see 4-hour RSI. Bouncing off of, or actually rejecting, more importantly, the bearish control zone in this case. 4-hour Jewel has lost its downside curvature. If you start to see that get nice and cyan alongside BBWP expanding right here, you're looking at this as just another higher low. Short term would be about a 270 to 275 target. And then if you can start to actually close above there, I would look for this one to retest around the highs at about 285 to 290, and very likely continue on with a general rally into early September, most likely. I don't think it's going to be doing too much today, to be fair, but looking at the daily, you're just kind of bouncing off the 10 symbol for right now. Do we see anything of interest right here? Yep, we will have hidden bullish divergence on daily RSI if it can put in a local low right here, which is very far away, to be fair. The problem is on this is that you got higher lows on this one on the daily as long as you're above like 195, so you probably don't want to wait for that one in order for it to actually break. So in this case, actually would be looking at the lower term time frames. Anyways, let's go over here and see what it looks like from a momentum perspective. And here we go. Daily right here. Daily stocks are down as long as below 294, which is actually the upside resolution. So good confluence right there. Again, I don't think that's happening today, obviously, but you'd expect this one to bounce off this region right here, led by the lower term timeframes. That's exactly what you got on the 4-hour. 250, the magical number to keep momentum also is up right there. Hourly, I imagine it's going to be more or less the same. 256 actually, looking good. Pretty much there right now. And 12-hour is coming nice and down, having a good bullish reset for now. Again, as long as this does hold as a higher low. In fact, we should check out the 12-hour over here. This one actually basing off beautifully at the 21 thus far. And what do you know? We will have 1, 2, 3 drives of hidden bullish divergence right here if this confirms as a local low. This could actually confirm on today's daily total closure with any sort of a closure above 265. And again, I'd just be looking for sideways and up, probably into early September, and then very likely a run towards new highs. The monthly for reference, not necessarily a bearish chart, could obviously afford a pullback, but any sort of a monthly closure, especially above the prior all-time high, like 250 is going to look phenomenally good. Even down to 225 would look pretty damn good too, but that's just going to kind of decide whether September is more or less consolidation or continuation. For right now, I'd be leaning towards continuation. Anyways, hopefully that was helpful, and there you go.